Welcome to today's virtual lesson for April 14th on planning your next diary entry. I already started looking at your tortoise diary entries and they are fabulous. Good job. And I am excited to see how you do on your next diary entries. And today we have a special guest. She flew all the way here from Australia where she was taking a vacation. And then of course when she got here, she had her 14-day quarantine. We have Miss Samantha. Miss Samantha's here to help us in our lesson. Oh, what's it? So silly sometimes. Okay, let's get going. All right. Today, our agenda is one, we're going to do a would you rather today as our mindfulness check. We are going to review our objectives, break down our prompt, plan our diary entry, and then start planning. All right. Would you rather? First one. Would you rather watch a 2-hour movie or 2 hours of television shows? What would you rather do? I think I would rather watch a 2-hour movie. Lately, I've been in a movie kind of mood. Okay, what about you, Sam? She would rather watch 2 hours of shows. Okay. Would you rather read minds or be able to see one day into the future? What would you rather do? I think I would rather read, no, I don't want to read minds because I really don't want to hear what kids are saying when I tell them what to do. I would rather see one day into the future. Then I could like win bets. Yeah, Sam, you agree? Yes, I'm agree. Next one. Would you rather be a falcon or a dolphin? I think I would rather be a dolphin so that I could swim. Swim really fast. Dolphins are very smart. I mean, you're smart too, Sam, but dolphins are very smart. Okay. Today, we are going to break down a prompt and plan our next diary entry. We are doing this so that we can understand the assignment and have a strong plan, which will make it easier to write our diary entry. And we're going to look for keywords and use a graphic organizer. All right, we're going to start off with some shout outs. Okay, the first shout out goes to my man, Dylan. That's right. All right, check out his very funny, very detailed diary entry. First, I was walking around and a hare came up to me and asked why I was walking so slow. Then he started bragging to me about how fast he was. His sunglasses said everything you need to know about this cocky jerk. Look at he put a picture of a hare wearing glasses. I don't know if he understood me, but I was really hurt on the inside. Oh, look how sad he looks. It felt like I was just stabbed in the throat with hurtful comments. I could not even finish my ice cream, but I didn't let him get the best of me, so I challenged him to a race, and he accepted. Loser buys the winner ice cream. Great details there, Dylan. Stabbed in the throat with hurtful comments. Whoa. Good job. All right. And the other shout out goes to Avani. Avani did an awesome job of following our dialogue rules. Notice how Avani has here the fox said, on your marks, get set, ready, set, go. Then she started a new line and the race was off. Before I knew it, I could not see the hare. I bet he was speeding off. When I finally saw him, he was sleeping super peacefully. So I quietly passed him. I was so close to the finish line when the hare woke up. I was crossing the finish line. Ha, how did you beat me? He asked me, all confused. And then there's a new line. Slow and steady wins the race, I said. Finally, as I was up to get my trophy from the race, I felt surprised that I won the race versus the hare. Now nothing could stand in my way, I thought. Notice how Avani followed all the rules of having dialogue. Good job, Avani. All right, keep them coming so we can keep giving shout outs.